Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to make PNG in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have an image in JPG file format. I drag and drop into Photoshop to open the image. Next, we can make selection to the background. To remove background, we can use Magic Wand tool and click on the background to make selection. We can use Shift to add selection. And then we can go to layers window. If you don't find layers window, we can go to window and show layers here. Now I go back to layers window and select the background layer and go down to bottom. We can find layer mask. Click to add the layer mask. And then we can make selection for the mask and press Ctrl I to invert the mask. So we make the transparent background for the image. Next, if we want to save as PNG, we can go to File and then we can go to Save as Copy and choose a file location, and we can choose the file format, for example, PNG as a save as type, and click Save. And we can keep the default setting and press OK. Now we can go back to File folder. We have the PNG image with transparent background. So this is how we can make PNG in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.